Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am using this really cool We Wish You a Merry Christmas mold 3 different ways. So in this first one I am filling it with clear resin. I'm using the KS resin, and now I am dropping drops of alcohol ink in. So I started with the star, the yellow, and then did orange and red and purple and green, blue and then green. So just goes down like a rainbow. And now we're going to do a second one. And in this one, I'm doing with lots of really blingy, chunky glitter. I'm doing red and green. So I just mix that up and then just pour it in. It's real easy to use this mold. So now we are about to do a third one. So this one is going to be blue, and I used that same glitter but a little bit less of it. And I used a blue tint that I made the strongest for at the bottom, poured a little bit out, and then just added a little more resin to it so it makes it fainter and fainter as you get toward the top. And the star is completely clear, but it still has the glitter. These were a lot of fun. I hope you guys try them out. And please hit the subscribe button. That would really help my channel out. Thank you so much. So I just wanted to show you the demolding process once. You didn't need to see it 3 different times. So it's easiest to start from the bottom and kind of pull out so that you don't mess up your mold. So here you go. Let's see the results. All right, here are the dried results for these 3 We Wish You a Merry Christmas. There's the rainbow one, the blue one, blue and clear, and the red and green one. How fun are those? All right. Just wanted to show you guys what you could do with these molds. So much fun. I added glitter to this one, just a medium amount, and then I added a whole lot of glitter to this one. Just wanted to see what different effects I would get. My favorite is the blue to clear. What about you guys? Which one's y'all's favorite? Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.